Welcome to another tutorial with software designs. Today we'll teach you how to trace this image. This image was copied from Pinterest, and then from Pinterest we downloaded it from there. Then let's apply the quick trace, select it, then come to trace bitmap here. Click on it, come to quick trace, and then let's wait a bit to see what happens. And then from here you see on group, click on group, then move the white away. You tend to see that it's created some bitmap, like you can move it, it formed the shape there, but then there are some leftovers, like it didn't give you a definite shape. You have it like this, but how do you do away with, how do you make it, you see, but then so how do you make it in one form? Then that way you click on this, click on quick trace, then click on logo trace, wait for it to finish, and then click on OK. From here it only trace out the envelope form. Then click on group, then select the black, move it away. You see how neatly it has created this effect. It's replicated. Instead of using this one, this is preferable to use. Thank you. If you like this knowledge we're sharing, please subscribe and turn off your notification button. Thank you so much.